Abusan comedian so anajima bedu his lordship Daniel Mensa wakasa afa Galamsey one media so mo twena bo so me ma wontim na face na busia Mahama kulum bole Galamsey duro what I say Galamsey e koso o bole dendende ama media no so nipa bi na no e chiro madwen won chiro mu no akere wadwen ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media me so say need him obe like this video no ndama pass subscribe button so make the notification can come on flash abi so be chire wadwen de ama me e wo comment section me so so no share bi no for so enya bi ahye e je the issue of Galamsey we see now no aye west Galamsey anya ajinsemu ama even kwan Erastus as I don ko de na bam kurabu wala say na be na agent of me boy say o da bi Galamsey ni de obi antimi fight na back here abra yeso the acting new chief justice Bafuboni Mahama swear in no and somebody to dwane say Galamsey obi aduru no aye west na ehia say you take action on it meaning say state of emergency is calling wala say and your option say it may declare state of emergency now we say anrachi ana his excellency the president John Mahama also in some 21 court of appeal judges and say adwumabadu eye Daniel Mensa his lordship Daniel Mensa doma odikuro onso oka ho bi na yeso Dormaahene in area yedo any busa no question about Galamsey o mi na no kasa oh Galamsey is ensem no de say na focus in declare state of emergency any ade ade ne de there be the one no hu say Galamsey and Mahama Galamsey e call from etima moye state of emergency sem de muntwa ma mumfa ntu ba bi kura meanwhile the acting chief justice as you mu say ono no yeso in a interview about Galamsey no ono no say now no abeye west and the action must be taken on it but Ajimambadu as court of appeal judge say Galamsey e call for a state of emergency the fancy say kakra na eno na media na won go say Ajimambadu ene na ogeken nana de na ogeken
se uye Ghana ni ana uye sebe omama ya wo ahunim conscience e a wahunim timi ne wo kasa anope wo hwe Ghanaian Times anim na wo ra anho a na wo so wording wo hwe Ghanaian Times anim anope na se wo ra anho a na wording hwe mo hwe no Facebook no enie mo hwe on Facebook and YouTube no de ntia me se wo hwe Ghanaian Times na wo ra anho a na wording no enie mo hu za picture we Galamsey no Galamsey and ya ni say ya ya asase ni say no ma me fa men camera na mo hwe ni eni ohun samo Galamsey o yan kasa yesu ban de eri aye ho no ene amanyofo ka kire ye say endru say ye declare state of emergency enu akra Dormaahene kan bi na ye me nwanwa papa say na Dormaahene etimi ka asasem no say yendru baby a ye declare state of emergency and I'm putting it to you nana nam nana no so nana we de ona na me no nya adwen wo wasase doma wo kan sa wo mientu Galamsey de ntina wo kan sa wo mientu Galamsey wo ho e de ntina memenda bia wo wankasa wo di anim na wo clean up exercise wo se Galamsey wo ma ye mfa bi ma doma asase so enu a wo sa kan yo se wo asase so de wa kan sa wo mientu Galamsey enti SSA ye declare state of emergency because time wa NDC and no ya ban o opposition omo say se mampani Akufo-Addo ye serious so betu Galamsey ase a 2 weeks SSA otimi tu Galamsey ase conditions na wo ho under president Akufo-Addo no ene aya west condition no na wo ho under president Akufo-Addo a enti ema CSOs ene then opposition NDC can say yen declare state of emergency no me say ene aya west ene you free nkran ha sa Kumasi ko twam konongo a wo de wo tralenda do kakra bi ahwekwa no ho hwe ade ene he awia kete ye tu ama main road kra ye betu ase ye tu ama main road ye betu ase mo amofa ayamfre dunkwaw ene importamu ho no Galamsey etesen ene na me ka no me ya wo me na me nima de friend Galamsey because ya wo me ha me ehwa na metena nyini ye bi na me nima de friend Galamsey ene me ha me asase so Galamsey e wo ho to the extent say o say krom LA Presby primary ho na me call primary school And then ye two about school dino. Galamsey, ye two about school dino. Na Sadia no Hosana Yesheno, a time bomb. Galamsey no, a time bomb at the Magana Fujina. Monza doctor for no catch ye say. Yar webi or why ye tracy ye bet tracy to Galamsey. Because then ya dear a woho. And then is when say, me dear, me the Mahamia example say. Me mean you know Mahameno. Na anya be a crown near walk comeda. As was you know one. River body is a water body is a warm Mahameno, and I make a chono. Near or comeda. Your own quantabana, your king sing, your guama, your sure sign, your prapum. Sans you when you shack a sack, never Mahame, and they move back who crass and pony wabbit me as a piano. Me, papa crassy, now quantabana, yes, sir, and 1 year menum ya dini, and ne, and quantabana. 7 and 2 cross a man on them. Nenchie was some no some quantabana manwa. One was your FM. And your mining activities, Galamsey, and ye say assassin. Oh, it is here, but tetra when why and say, ye coca Galamsey, or be lusu the seat, ye coca Galamsey, yen twaba, ye coca Galamsey, Senka, Sabreno, and again, ya no bako, politicians, ya no bako, a tap and the Kufadu chia, and can Galamsey and Kianano. And the quiet, ye the Galamsey. Yen Fusase, ye the Galamsey. Obe koko ya do koko pa ye koko asiwa afena koko na siso ebeso one night obe soro abako no near the excavator see afonum aduafo na gufom Galamsey se wo te Galamsey ase se eye NDC ni MPP asem no se be na onte ase no emu oha onte ase no se onte ase o Galamsey ni se eye NDC MPP ase be na onte ase no mu oha Galamsey eye national disaster. A national disaster. A train yina. Media men fa one de obeka. Wa obedi matem. Wa obeka enyamba sem. De me can say. Me nim se Galamsey a national disaster. Obi a wo Galamsey. Any obi a wo di Galamsey hu sika. Any obi a wo gi bribe. Na wa cover Galamsey ni. Se wo yen sentro ni. Yen sentro for ye ka ho. Sentro for a mo agigi adamu di afri omo ye Galamsey ho. Na mo protect you no mo forest mu ni nsuo mu esai no mo ni omo ya Galamsey ni mo ye nipa baako politician soldier ni police ni sofo ahemfo a wote wona Galamsey ekoso wa ye din kakra ye beje ama wo matitititi ho committee na committee fo no kono makogi load abremo week bia no makogi load abremo mo ni omo ya Galamsey ni mo ye nipa baako mo nyina mo ye oman na tamfo you are the enemies of the state Galamsey esai Ghana Galamsey be kuye nyina yentu Galamsey ase a Galamsey ebe hye nyina yase me de radio asumdwe.
You know, I've been on this tour for 26 almost 26 and a half years. Galamsey the illegal mining did not start yesterday. It's been with us for some time. If you ask me about my assessment, I would say now it's going down.
Abusia baby amotia duru na eye we oye appeal court judge endra Ghana mampanyi John Mahama SWN in na yebusa no question about Galamsey Martin sema okan na unim wo krom ha na wo ye panyimu na wa ye wadwen se abre bia abehye political lens a da bia be expose hu se ya o enne de ye panyi timi gina wa ka kire ye se NDC abre so Galamsey kofom na eye no kra na ye mpanyimfo ni bia ye o madwen se o monka anasa aburo no mopese o mudi yen enne wo Galamsey area sa Galamsey ya ekoso no enne yensuo nyina asai wo Galamsey area untimi ntonsuo wo honnom because ensuo ni nyina asai enne because of Galamsey when this abreso forest reserves ani yenwura mu kura ye wuram Galamsey when this abreso enne manso mpatwom teteka so ukoduru honnom a civilians eni soldiers ekon emeyetimi faso bobi mutuo assemblyman ya body tuo because of NDC abreso Galamsey ekoso and so ye panyin say Galamsey no NDC abreso ekofom me see say we panyimu okroma na wo hye political lens a da bia be expose hu be expose hu say ya ena wiase na nkasa sa oto na re wadwen say unim nyansa bebira da bia we expose hu ebi nie ene de ye say guy Galamsey kofom all because of say on wenya ne share abusu asemo we dia ba bote no masum asemo
ahu samanfo bebrebe ye video e fasa picture be ho ana agenda o set ya bam wasa Asantehene hweye so omuni masantiye hwe amanfo start sorry tia Asante me ne enwu mi wu krampo apu ekura ne mai na me no mi enu kura ye ka bi ma Asante ne nya mai koko bi sa wona na wo de kono na abrewa bi otifi ho se abrante bi e fre no kwame tua wo ye de ne tia Asante ne tia story ne de ko wiye ohene se ohene otikrure ne brawre mo maso pia se ya ne suro no wo se nanum ka se yitumi ne begina ko sise wiase wi besei men ka se makoto bia wo Ghana ha ensa no da na menya Asantehene na sikadwa ante ase saase mwi ebia woni ani ana bibi kasa wonte ana hunhunu hwe nsusu wo wiase ba hu bibi wo wiase ana woda woteni bi na hunhunu bibi a nka bo nse kasa wi ohene kan ye no enye kasa kwa enkwesi hwe why still opa munkofa obia ma ne nkoye hwan judge hwan court ben on fanche me obi fresi won enti munka makoma ntom yam agenda bia no obetima pushi no kromu ati Asante bi hwa ewiase no aye wo no what baby say ewo bi na awie bi hwe aban beba ye be appoint obi ye be ni pane free so montie ya na yi maame bia wo ye Supreme Court judge mon so ye de me amenimu maame ye mutu ni free so na sen mo se enka Ghana etia Ghana mla ne hwan montie ya na etu ni free so aban bi ban no ni si so aban bia bo yi na free so otumfu atena so sisimfie no President Kofa Bako, President Atamasa Bako, President Kufuado Abako, John Mahama bai, why Kofa Ba, just why, and President Mahama Aba. Me say, Asante da so ya Asante wo hene ye wo hene. Tie sa se we na mo ntia se no. Bia nti enkwesi aga, why mama mane ha mo. Agenda bia no betimo pushi. Sikedwa tie ase. Obi anka na koma ntumi ye. Asante matumi ni da so ho.
Abusian from Pecheche Munina. Me pachoba, Pomodia she video money cratue. Insi John Mahama, Insi Kevin Taylor's money cosi John Mahama, so John Mahama only baby. Mijina na no monim, and I make us some way at show. Ewo, a boldness and fiscal and mepa when him straight, akasa, and wakasa. She, Yatna see you, so John Mahama. Oba betna, wakunyas near Twabama, what they Asante. Ene menshia ena wodidi muwasem wo ana no tena se so obi ka hate speech a obeba akwache no na che se obi edi atema onkwasiafo ni di menshia atem di Asante Fatima wote John Mahama wanimu jobri yato abama obi na adwene ketekete se ntate enti no Kevin Taylor nkwasi asem na wotena akonwa so kan no ka wo yu obi anka beba abonten na kyese wo no aye wadwen se obi obeka setia manhia akasachi otumfo ma bia so Asante nyina no wona wo promote no John Mahama Asante enye sirem agudie tie ni ye Kevin Taylor na no ya watena konwa so akase ye MPP for de bone beche ya agesi yede ne papa ntima ne mu kankan no ne papa fia potobi bre no be pa wono ne che o menfema no mponka se wo John Mahama yenhwe ha tena se na wunya Asante so mfaso bebre wahenie mu no manhia wunya no so mfaso bebre na wode ayisi kadwa kofie ni mtwitwi fom etena se man di sifo didi amanhia tama bi so ye Asante force no wo John Mahama NDC ni bia wo betu ogudie wa Asante asase so ye MP so ye minister from wo John Mahama so obi obetu ogudie wa Asante asase so a wo ye NDC ni bia yesamani ma enetie no obetu no emu anwea yesamani ma nsuo yesamani ma Asante ayi efe ne se nnua ne ahoma ewom ensrake mu ampi NDC fo no ekwasi asembe no John Mahama wo a wo so ni mfaso mpo no ye di watema wo se yaka hate speech nti wo ba mo ya bachi obi wotimi trase me ye didi manhia tem edidi sikadwa kofi atem who is wo ye hwan wo John Mahama na be ka che so obi ka hate speech aba me ya beche no Penyah na wotire fie ma seduafo. Wotira wono no, wo mo edi manhia tem, ana wo mo post. Nananom kunto ntwene, nananom strike mo ndisifo. Obi obedi manhia tem aye ndisi ni a, wobekọ Asante Ridge se wo tu gold Asante asase so. Asante Ridge me se, yesama wo ma nsuo ni nnua ne homa. Esama wo ma honhom nsuo ni a honhom nyina from Antoa ne ayi nsuo a atwa santeman mu chie ye de mo ma no. Omuni munni because muntimi mfa sikadwa ni metwitwi fam na mfa santefo ni metwitwi fam na mepemu ayi agudie na wo wia wasa ko dwobiri woni makogina menhia se wo hia mo a ono na emo a enam se otumfo nyame kese eye ayi pani due matemati tu kwa wo ka se mo asama wo ye nyina obi hunu de wo pesa wo kira na Kevin Taylor tena enane 3 days atron kan kwase asem se enkofa ni ne se na bepa ne cho wo ka se mo yanko ni sikadwa na Kevin Taylor, wone nkwasiafo na ebo na John Mahama de nani monyama to fom ama watena so no awo na wo decide man do you think say wo yonko na yesigagwa kwasia bi abo bi nche wo se kwasia mpani wa mobla wodi ahini ni fia puto bibire ahini keke kura wo se Kevin Taylor wodi ye ne ka ni wo papa ntime mu kankane ntime ni apaisa adwene kwan woni fa ni twase wo ba bi a wote no abo bi ba woni minyansa ka ba mu a watu kwa ko bobla wa ko wale broni wo hu obi a watu kwa wale broni abobla da abo bi funu wo hwe wo ntade basa se pa wo pa afo wo niema basa Kevin Taylor se de wo so pa wo pa kwa siampafo ye ni manum bin NDC fo emwa ye ni manum bini mu NDC fo mu mpanimfo ni mu nkola wo betena se wo ye NDC ni a wo bedi manhia tambia mese mo ye nkwasiafo mo ye mmoa kwasiampafo ati ponko soofo agimifo party unso obi edidi NDC ni atma no ye odidi NDC ni bi obi odidi manhia tambia no ye NDC ni abo bi nchimwe na nanam na be strike mu akumu atwatwene Kevin Taylor wo na wo be bre papa wo Kevin Taylor wo be wu nkwase wo bi a wo ewu a yemfa wo funumpo ento adaka mu unimfa ni twasiri wo ba bia wuti no wo yira han mu tente wo yira mo sa atoko oba kwase mpeni ko wale oba afon wonim se de adwale eworo yase wo wia na wo do ano fon besis ayi mu fo wano ko twitwiri bi mu John Mahama na emu no ho John Mahama ena wo mu no ho na adwene ketekete sentatia ana ma wo Kevin Taylor wo decide ma na wo ka se wo yonko ne manhia wo ni twasiri abo bi ba abo bi nchonwe odwan
na Galamsey nsem ye no na go obeka ya tamwa eba se Galamsey ekoso ewo Kufuor kurum eye chebi no oh ene Kufuor wanya aso kra wanya aso twa na da panga ta bo na chianga sa ema ya twira ne hu buku nyina edeto ho no mo abuzen ka bi nhye mo enu achi no ene pop up on the internet say Mahama kurum bole no ya tu Galamsey na ma afedie ya la ko wura bole kuro ni mu ase Galamsey ekoso den Mahama ono ani kurum.
John Mahama's Bole constituency has become a hotspot for illegal mining activities, with the Black Volta River bearing the brunt of the destruction. The once clean waters are now discolored, posing a significant threat to farmers and thousands of residents who rely on the river for drinking water and daily survival. Heavy equipment, chamfan machines and pumping machines used by illegal miners have damaged arable lands. Fisher folks who depended on the lake for their livelihoods have been chased out, leaving them without a source of income.
While the pollution of the Black Volta River poses serious health risks to local communities, including the potential for chronic diseases like kidney failure, birth defects and cancer. In response to the crisis, the district chief executive for Bole has taken decisive action, storming the illegal mining areas and destroying some of the equipment used by the miners. Well, thankfully, he joins us live here on Joy News Prime, the district chief executive for Bole, Mr. Abdullah. We appreciate your time here on Joy News Prime. We just wanted to find out this tip-off that you got that led to this operation. What exactly is the extent of the invasion of these illegal miners? Mr. Abdullahi Mahamudu, you may have to unmute for me to hear you clearly. So we're just trying to reconnect the lines to the district chief executive for Bole. We just told you that today he, along with other key members of his community, embarked on a mission in his constituency to rid the area of illegal miners. And he's joining us just to provide us with updates on this. We know that the presidency had issued a directive that all forest reserves as well as river areas would be declared as security zones. And one of the key things this administration has done is also the deployment of the Blue Water Guards. I'm told I have clear connection now to Mr. Abdullahi. Thank you so much for your time here on Joy News Prime. I'm wondering, what's the extent of the invasion of these illegal miners when you went to the ground?
For having me. The attempt to which invaded this place is actually worrisome. But however, this is not a time they have started. They started this for a very long time. As a district, we got wind of it and we decided we're going to crack the whip by getting them off the black volta.
Our correspondent on the ground tells us that you may have to listen to us directly from your phone and mute your television, says Mr. Abdullahi. Our correspondent on the ground tells us that currently farmers and even fisher folks in that area are exiting the place because of the extent of pollution on the Black Volta. Tell us more about this.
Yeah, the river serves as a livelihood to most of the people who live around the Black Volta Lake. As you may be aware, the place is used for both farming and fishing. However, with their invasion on the river bodies, it is becoming very difficult for them to sustain their livelihood along the Black Volta. So that's the reason why we want to crack the whip, such that the environment will be safe for them to stay and do their business.
But here's the case: you haven't effected any arrests. I know you're working together with the police. How do you ensure that these illegal miners do not return to the site?
Yeah, this is the first stage of the exercise. We have river guards who are trained purposely to ward off this. So as we embark on this, them make sure that they guard the river bodies, making sure that no illegal activities are ongoing in the river.
Okay.
Wait to actually watch Amame. Comment section to you as my viewer. Do you believe that Galamsey under Mahama is it going down? And as a still state of emergency is taken. To the comment section. I hype in your block media. Accra.